My dear learner of class 9, in my previous class, I have shown the word meaning of the passage. From the passage, can you live alone? So, dear student, I think you have solved your unknown words problem. Today, we will solve the question and answering problem. So, dear student, to solve the problem, to answer the question, dear student, you should read the passage again and again. Dear student, you should read the passage properly with Bengali meanings so that you can't answer easily. Dear student, if you read the passage properly, you can answer any questions which you will be given. You can answer easily. So, dear student, today I shall answer some questions. The dear students, now I am going to questions. The question is, why did the young man leave his house? Dear student, why did the young man leave his house? It's an easy question. You can find out the answer from the passage. Dear student, we know that from passage the man was disturbed with some problem and sufferings. They are quarrels, ill feelings, jealousy, enmity, etc. So, dear students, we can take the answers from this passage. Here you can see quarrels, ill feeling, jealousy, enmity, all were part of everyday life. So, here you can write the answer for this question. The young man found that social life is full of problem. And suffering. Dear students, what's the problem? You can find out the problem from the passage. Here, quarrels, ill feeling, jealousy, enmity, etc., etc. The problem and suffering of the young man's everyday life. So, the young people left his society for this reason. So, dear student, now I am going to question number 2. The question number 2 is, where did he make a heart? And another part of the question, what did he make the heart with? Dear student, you also find out the answer from the passage. Dear student, we know that the young man left his village and went to a jungle. So dear student, went to a jungle, and there he made a nice little hut with wood, bamboo and reeds. So dear student, here we can see the answer of the question. Dear learner, so now we can read the answer of the question. He made a hut in the jungle. So another part of the question, what did he made the hut with? Dear student, he used wood, bamboo and reeds. REEDS. This is the answer of this question. Dear student, in question number 3, was the man happy in his heart? Dear student, we also find out the answer of this question in the passage. Dear student, here we can see that some mice was the problem in his heart. So dear student, the little creature soon made holes in his blanket. Dear students, the mice was the problem. So the man was not happy in his jungle. Dear student, here we can write the answer of the question. No, the man was not happy in his heart. So dear student, this is the answer of question number 3. Now question number 4. Dear student, how did he find himself again in a family? Dear student, again the man again find himself in a family. So let's go to the passage. Dear students, to kill the mice, the young man brought a cat to kill the mice. The cat needed milk, so he bought a cow. The cow needed grass and hay, so he bought a cowboy. The cowboy needed food, so he took a wife to cook meals. Then children were born to them, and the man found himself again in a family. So dear student, here we can see a clear answer in this passage. If you write this sentence for your answer, that will be correct for your questions. So dear student, question number 4. Question number 4. The question number 4 is, where and how can a person be happy? Where and how can a person be happy? Dear student, we know that human being is a social being. So human being can't be happy in jungle and alone. So and a person can be happy in a family life because man is a social being. This is why he can't be happy without touch of others human. So now I'm writing the answer of the question. A man can be happy in the family living with the other people of the society, with the other people of the society. Dear student, in this way you can answer the question. In question number 4, what is the moral of the lessons? Dear student, by reading the passage we can know that man is a social being. He cannot live alone. He needs the help of others people in the society. So the answer of the moral story, dear student, the question, what is the moral of the story? The answer of the question is, the moral of the story is man cannot live alone. So dear student, it's a answer of question number 6. Man cannot live alone because man is social being. So this is the perfect answer or moral of the story. Dear students, so you should practice more and more to answer the question. We have no alternative to answer the question without studying the passage again and again. You should understand the passage and you answer the question. So dear student, now I am ending the answer of the questions in this way. So thank you for staying with me. Bye.